Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the place where your home gets its glow up, one room at a time. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving deep into one of the most beloved design styles of our time, the classic farmhouse, inspired by the queen herself, Joanna Gaines. We're talking warm textures, cozy layers, and that timeless late winter aesthetic that makes every corner feel like a hug. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Drop a comment below. Are you a farmhouse fan? Let's go! First impressions matter, and a Joanna Gaines-inspired exterior is all about quiet confidence. Think crisp white board-and-batten siding paired with black window frames, that classic contrast she made iconic. For late winter, layer and dried eucalyptus wreaths on the front door, a galvanized steel lantern by the porch steps, and a simple wooden welcome sign with chippy white paint. Shutters in muted sage or charcoal anchor the look. Add a porch swing with cream linen cushions, and suddenly your home doesn't just look good. It feels like a story. Your entryway sets the tone for everything inside, so let's make it work and look gorgeous. Install a shiplap accent wall, that signature Joanna touch, painted warm white. Mount a vintage-style wooden coat rack with black iron hooks for coats and hats. Below it, add a bench with hidden storage for shoes, topped with a cozy knit cushion. A round beveled mirror above the bench adds depth, while a chunky jute rug grounds the space. Finish with a small ceramic bowl for keys. Simple, practical, and undeniably charming. The farmhouse living room is where cozy becomes a design philosophy. Start with a neutral linen sofa in creamy ivory or warm greige, and layer on chunky knit throw blankets in oatmeal and soft taupe. A distressed wood coffee table with iron legs anchors the seating area. For late winter decor, arrange a vignette on the table, a stack of antique books, a white pillar candle on a wooden tray, and dried lavender sprigs. The shiplap fireplace wall is your focal point. Dress the mantel with a vintage clock, greenery, and candlesticks in varying heights. Joanna believes the dining room should be inviting and generous, and we completely agree. Anchor the room with a farmhouse trestle table in reclaimed wood. The grain variations tell a beautiful story. Layer with a natural linen runner, white ceramic plates, and simple stoneware mugs. For late winter, create a centerpiece of dried pampas grass in a terracotta vase, flanked by pillar candles and iron holders. Ladder-back chairs in distressed white or natural would complete the look. Overhead, a black iron chandelier with exposed Edison bulbs ties everything together perfectly. Now we're in the soul of the farmhouse, the kitchen. Go for shaker-style cabinets painted in warm white or soft sage, paired with matte black hardware. A farmhouse apron front sink is non-negotiable. For appliances, choose a freestanding retro-style refrigerator in matte white, a vintage-inspired gas stove in cream with black knobs, and a compact drip coffee machine in black on the counter. Open shelving displays white ironstone dishes and mason jars. Finish with butcher block countertops for that warm, lived-in feel every farmhouse kitchen craves. The magic of a Joanna kitchen is in details you pause to appreciate. Hang a vintage wooden cutting board collection on the wall as art. Style open shelves with a terracotta pot of fresh rosemary, a linen dish towel draped casually over the oven handle, and a small chalkboard sign with a handwritten quote. A galvanized steel canister set near the stove adds charm and function. A beadboard backsplash in white adds classic farmhouse texture. Warm under-cabinet lighting makes the whole kitchen glow at dusk, absolutely dreamy and completely doable. A farmhouse family room must be beautiful and bulletproof. Real life happens here. Mount a flat-screen TV on a shiplap accent wall painted in warm greige. Frame the TV with floating wooden shelves styled with books, small plants, and vintage finds. Choose a sectional sofa in performance linen fabric, durable and stylish. Pile on throw pillows in buffalo check, stripes, and solid neutrals. A woven jute area rug defines the space beautifully. Add a large wicker basket in the corner for blanket storage, functional and completely adorable. Every home needs that one quietly brilliant corner that works overtime. Tuck a small antique writing desk in weathered wood near a window for natural light. Style it with a vintage brass desk lamp, a small succulent in a clay pot, and a unique miniature iron desk clock that doubles as a conversation piece. A compact vintage-style radio on the corner shelf brings warmth and nostalgia. Joanna would absolutely approve. Opposite the desk, create a reading nook, a wingback armchair in linen, a floor lamp, a small side table, and a well-loved basket of books. Your farmhouse bedroom should feel like a luxury countryside bed and breakfast. Start with a wooden shiplap headboard or vintage iron bed frame in matte black as your focal point. Layer the bed with crisp white cotton sheets, a waffle knit blanket, and throw pillows in muted florals and solid linens. For late winter, add a faux fur throw draped at the foot of the bed. A reclaimed wood nightstand on each side holds a ceramic lamp and a book. Linen drapes in natural white frame the windows softly. Keep the palette cream, linen, sage, and dusty blue, serene and timeless. Great bedroom design is about intentional calm. Above the dresser, hang a simple gallery wall with vintage botanical prints in thin black frames. Choose a distressed white dresser with woven basket drawers for texture. A vintage-style alarm clock and a ceramic diffuser with lavender oil on the nightstand make the room feel curated and sensory. For late winter, bring in a dried floral arrangement, cotton stems, bunny tails, or dried lavender, in a simple stoneware vase. Keep nightstand surfaces clear except for one lamp, one book, and one beautiful small object. Less is always more. A farmhouse bathroom is a spa wrapped in shiplap, and we are absolutely here for it. Install a walk-in shower with classic white subway tile and matte black fixtures for bold contrast. Choose a farmhouse-style vanity in white with a white ceramic vessel sink. A vintage framed mirror above the vanity adds old-world charm beautifully. For late winter decor, roll up white linen towels in a wicker basket, add a small wooden stool beside the shower for a potted fern, and hang a simple wooden ladder on the wall to drape extra towels with style. Bathroom accessories are where your farmhouse personality truly shines. Choose black iron towel hooks for a relaxed, layered look. Use glass apothecary jars on the counter to store cotton balls, bath salts, or small soaps. A wooden bath tray across the tub holds candles and a small book. Swap plastic accessories for ceramic soap dispensers in matte white. For the floor, lay a woven cotton bath mat in natural or black and white stripe. A eucalyptus bundle hung from the shower head adds a spa-like scent and a stunning visual. Simple, affordable, and completely magical. Most people overlook the garage, but Joanna teaches us every space deserves intention. Start with open wooden shelving, painted white for organized storage. Use galvanized metal bins labeled with chalkboard tags for a cohesive look. Hang vintage-style wall hooks for bikes, garden tools, and coats. A concrete floor sealer in warm gray gives a clean finish. Add a vintage wooden workbench with an Edison bulb pendant above it. For late winter, display a potted citrus plant or herb garden in a sunny corner, a small, green, cheerful reminder that spring is right around the corner. The farmhouse patio is your outdoor living room, and it deserves as much love as the inside. Choose a teak dining set with linen cushions in cream or sage for the main seating area. String warm Edison bulb lights overhead from wooden pergola posts for magical evening ambience. For late winter, layer in outdoor buffalo check throw blankets, add a fire pit for warmth, and arrange terracotta pots with evergreen plants and dried ornamental grasses. Galvanized watering cans and vintage lanterns styled as decor make the patio feel like a beautifully curated outdoor editorial shoot. One of the most powerful tools in farmhouse design is understanding Joanna's neutral palette. She builds every room on warm whites, creamy ivories, soft greys, and muted earth tones, never stark cold whites. Layer in dusty blues, sage greens, and warm charcoals as accent tones. For late winter, lean into warm taupes, cognac, and deep hunter green to echo the season. A key tip: choose your wall color as a base, then pull in 3 accent tones through textiles, wood, and metals. Matte black, natural wood, and brushed brass together make a timeless farmhouse trio every room will love. Joanna is famous for loving furniture that looks like it has a past, a present, and a future. In practical terms, shop antique markets, thrift stores, and estate sales for 1 or 2 key vintage pieces per room. Mix them with quality new essentials, a solid sofa, a sturdy dining table. Look for natural materials, solid wood, iron, linen, cotton, jute, rattan, and leather. Avoid pieces that look too matchy-matchy. A room should feel collected over time, not purchased in one afternoon. The beauty of farmhouse design is that imperfection isn't a flaw. It is the entire point. Late winter is a beautiful, underappreciated season for home decor, sitting quietly between cozy winter warmth and early spring freshness. Embrace it by layering dried botanicals, cotton stems, pampas grass, dried lavender, and preserved eucalyptus in terracotta or stoneware vases throughout your home. Swap heavy holiday colors for muted blush, sage, and warm ivory. Add beeswax candles in clusters on wooden trays. Bring in living greenery like potted ferns or snake plants. Keep textiles cozy but lighten the color. Think cream chunky knits instead of dark burgundy. Think thaw, not freeze. Here is your insider cheat sheet for designing the Joanna Gaines way. First, always start with the architecture. Shiplap, beadboard, barn doors, and open beams are your best friends. Second, layer your lighting, overhead, task, and candlelight ambient in every room. Third, style in odd numbers, 3 candles, 5 books, 1 large vase. Fourth, mix metals confidently. Matte black and brushed brass together look intentional. Fifth, always leave some negative space. Not every surface needs styling. Enter golden rule: buy what you love, and your home will always feel like you. That is the whole philosophy, beautifully said. And there you have it, a complete room-by-room walk through a classic farmhouse home with Joanna Gaines' Timeless Feel, from the curb all the way to the patio, through every cozy, beautiful corner in between. Here's the best part: you don't need to renovate everything at once. Start with one small change: a new throw pillow, a dried floral arrangement, a coat hook by the door. Your home transforms one beautiful detail at a time. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves design, and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of home inspiration. See you in the next one. Happy decorating!